Do you want to make an offer on a house? I have 3 tips for you to consider before making that offer. Stick around. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency in Ozark, Missouri. Wow, the market is crazy. In 2020 and 2021, it has proven to be a seller's market. And while it is a great time to buy because the interest rates are so low, it is hard to get an offer in due to the multiple offers being placed on some of the houses that hit the market. You want to make sure you have a strong offer that fits within your financial goals. And I want to give you some things to consider for making an offer above, below, and at the asking listing price. Please hit the like, the subscribe, and the bell to receive weekly notice if this information is helpful for you. Let's get started. Tip 1, above listing price. When you are in a fast-moving market where houses seem to be selling as soon as they come on the market, you must be prepared to make a higher offer. There may be multiple offers on the house. Create a plan with your realtor and make an offer that is beneficial to you and the seller. You need to realize that offers without contingencies and that seem to have no financial holds will be the most appealing to the seller. When you find a house, immediately have your realtor run a comparative market analysis or CMA so you know if the house is worth the above listing offer that you want to make. If your offer is accepted and it is over the purchase price, you must consider whether it is going to appraise well. If it does not appraise well for the offer you make, your bank probably will not lend over the appraised price. Are you ready for that? Sometimes sellers and their agents will look at an above listing bid and know that it is not going to appraise well. They want to back away because they know the buyer will probably walk away after a low appraisal. A good realtor will negotiate for you. You just need to provide the limits. If the seller does not accept your offer, you want to make sure the contract states that you can walk away if the house does not appraise out. Or you are willing and can afford to, you might pay the difference between the appraised price and your offered price. If this is the case, your agent can add that information to sweeten the deal for the seller. When making an offer that is above list price, you really need to know your financial situation and a plan before making this decision. Tip 2, offering at listing price. You found the house and it has everything you want. It has a great yard, it's in a great school district, it's in a great neighborhood, and it's move-in ready. Again, ask your realtor to run a CMA on the house to compare it to other houses in the area and see if it measures up in price. Your agent will know if there is much competition in the area. If competition is low, your chances are good, but you fear that you will lose the house if you do not offer the full price now. You know what your bank will lend and have discussed what you can afford for your monthly mortgage payment. So you make a full listing offer. Perfect, it's a go. Tip number 3, offer below listing price. Picture this scenario. You find a house that is in an older area you love. It's not a cookie cutter style house and the price seems right. The problem is that once you see the house, you know there are several problems that need to be fixed. Beyond paint, flooring, and needed upgrades and appliances, you see it has a popcorn ceiling, a 40-year-old furnace, and its decor is outdated with its brass fixtures and busy floral wallpaper. Ugh. Your realtor runs a CMA and the house does not seem to measure up with other comparables, but you really want to live in the area and believe the bones of the house are good. You decide you can fix some of the issues, so you place an offer that is below the listed price. You went into it thinking the house was within the limits for what you are pre-approved for with the bank, and you know that winning a lower price can free up some money so you can fix the issues. It's a deal. Here's a bonus scenario for bidding lower. You find a house and can see that there are obviously several houses on the market in your area at competitive prices. Chances are, within reason, you can win the bid for a lower price because the housing inventory is so high, which indicates a buyer's market, and that could work out well for you. If you like this information and want to see more each week, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and if you live in the Springfield, Missouri area and want help with buying a house, just give me a shout. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency, and I love living in the Ozarks. Offer. Proven to be a smeller's market for on the house you want. Frog in my throat. I'll be right. Whew. Really? Nope. Good grief.